One thing we want to do is make sure that we carry the spirit of Louisiana and the South to our facility. And you can tell that by our building designs and the layout of our campus that we've tried hard to fit in to the landscape of Louisiana. Another reason that we chose Monroe is there's a strong sense of community. The Master Gardening Club, of which Alan said was very prevalent in that region, the food scene, things that we want our community to be a part of was present there. So one thing we want to accomplish, and a big driving force behind this type of facility is, again, the farm to table concept. In another light is that we think it brings people together. And when I say brings people together, I mean generations of people. What I envision is a grandmother living at our facility, or a grandfather. Their grandchild comes and visits them. Normally, they wouldn't have a lot in common to talk about because of the age gap. But if they can take them out to the garden and show them how we grow things there, bring it in and prepare it and show the kids how to do it, that's an experience that they can enjoy together. That'll be something they remember for the rest of their life, and again, brings those people together closer.